Welcome back to Bayona's RC World, and today is an exciting day. And the reason for that is what you see right before you. All right, I've been looking around for this kit for a very long time. This kit I have built back in 1992. It being my first top flight kit back then. So I'm very excited to finally get my hands on one today, here in the year 2020, with better building skills that I had developed throughout the years. So with that said, stay tuned, let's get with the intro, and then we'll be right back. Welcome back. So now it's time to go ahead and open up this box and see exactly what top flight kit we got. All right, I put the little rag here just to kind of conceal the seller, the person I bought it from. So that's the reason why this rag is right here. All right. So everyone knows, if you don't, I'm here in the Pacific island of Guam. All right, all the way in the other side of the world, in the Pacific Island. So here is a normal size top flight box. It's not a Stinson Reliant, so you know, Stinson Reliant is just a little bit bigger. But this is a typical kit size box, and it's here in my own place. So a lot of you shippers out there, a lot of you sellers saying, you know, you don't ship to Guam. Guam is a U.S. territory, and we abide by same rules in the United States. And here it is, proof, you know, case in point. All right. So besides that, let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. I don't even think I need this blade. At the same time we're opening her up, we're just also checking if for any damages sustained during shipping or from the seller. This is also kind of like video proof that everything, you know, I will have on camera, on film. Can't say that that it didn't happen. All right, you can see it. You can see it. What do we got here? We have the. Oh boy! Try not to rip the. All right. Let's just. I don't want to ruin the graphics in the box. Throw this down here. Throw that for another day. All right, so there it is. And this is what will be up on my channel in the future build, is the Top Flight Cessna 182 Gold Edition. 81-inch wingspan. Awesome kit. Tell you the truth. I'm gonna be using a Sato FG21, which is a 20cc 4-stroke gas engine on this. So I am looking forward to this build. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see exactly what we have inside, to ensure that the contents arrived in good condition. All right. So cut in the tape. Yep. So the kit that I built in 1992, I had it actually completed all the way to the covering job. I had the light system in it and everything. The only thing I didn't have was the servos and the engine at the time. 1992, I just graduated from high school, so didn't have the amount of money to get everything completed. I thought I was, but it didn't turn out right. So I ended up keeping the plane, I believe, up to 93, and then I ended up selling it to one of our club members. All right, so here we go. And this is the kit contents. Alright, so you got your bottom half of your cowl, the front portion. Let's go put it back down here. And there's one thing about this is once you start pulling all the items out of the box on these kits, I mean, sometimes to put it back all into the box the same way you got it is pretty difficult. So I don't think I'm going to take everything out, you know, just at least the top layer. So we got the this is the front windshield. Oh, this is the back glass portion. Alright, that looks okay. Looks good. And then you got your side windows. Alright. Looks good. And you got your hardware pack. You got your strut fairings, landing gear fairings, a lot of plastic parts, your wheel pants, your tail cone, you know, all the wood looks pretty good. I don't see anything wrong with the wood. And then there's your blueprints, or your plans, building plans. You got your cowl, which I don't know if I really want to pull this thing out. As far as the cowl is concerned, it looks okay, but we won't know until we open it all the way out. So there we go. So see, you can tell the age of this kit. I mean, look at the discoloration. So you can tell the age. Other than that, I mean, once I get everything all put together, sand it down and everything and paint it, all that will go away. But if I do come across a fiberglass cowl, I might just go that route for this kit. But we'll see how this one holds up with the discoloration, because normally that hopefully it's not that brittle at all. But there's the cowl. And then let's go see the front glass. This is the main glass. Alright. So you got, it's a good thing it's cracked there and not nowhere else. So these two basically is your for your lights up front, the buckets, and the cowl. I mean the surrounding areas that you were actually going to trim out that's going to be used is okay. There's no cracks, so I'm not worried about that. So yeah, you can see if you never built one of these, This right here is the actual front windshield, so everything is good. This is just the molding. All right, so that's good. So we're good there. So I mean, you know, these kits, being the age they are, and if you just so happen to own these kits and you're storing them in a hot environment, then you're gonna have issues with warpage or, you know, stuff like discoloration and everything like that. But if you're in a nice, cool temperature environment, everything will just be just fine. So this is the hardware pack. Sorry about that. Alright, so basically I'm gonna go ahead and try to put everything back in here. This is the part that I really hate. Just trying to put everything back in. Alright. There we go, we got that. So far they look good. Alright. That was a loose piece. Put everything the way it kind of was. So we got our hardware pack right here. And like I said, I don't know if I did say that, but I will be getting purchasing a few more items here before we can actually get started with this build. Not just to also mention that I actually got to finish the Goldberg Extra 300 first before we even start on this build here. So I do, you know, I'm very excited. I do want to take you guys on the build series for this. So look forward to here on my channel the build series for the Top Flite Cessna 182 Gold Edition kit. I'm gonna try to be very informative in this kit, very detailed. Try to put as much information I can in the process of building it, and hopefully you join me on that journey. And the sheer fun of this actual build here. I can't stress enough how excited I am to actually own this right now. So, you know, it brings back a lot of memories. 1992. It was like at the end of 92 when I built this, my first Top Flite Gold Edition kit. And it was very awkward, very unique, because I've been building just regular conventional, you know, Goldberg style, Great Plains style, you know, Midwest SIG, you know, style kits, and to come across this one, where when I came to the fuse, building the actual fuse itself, it felt like I was building a boat, because you build it, you build the bottom's hole, basically the bottom's portion of the fuse first, and it's stringers, and then you sheet it. It basically looked like a boat, a bottom section of a boat. So it was kind of weird, but exciting at the same time. But that's just the typical style of Top Flite and how their kits go together. So once again, I'm very excited. I'm looking forward to this build, and let's go try to put everything back in here without any damages. Alright, so, oh, that's one thing I haven't seen. I didn't see the instruction manual. Where's the instruction manual? Well, I think that's what I'm missing on this kit, is the instruction manual. But I know, no big deal. I can easily just download one if possible. Well, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's probably under there. I'm just not gonna open it up just yet. So anyhow, let me just double check something here. Okay. So anyhow, look forward to doing this build series with you, and so just looking forward to the actual build of the Top Flite Cessna 182, and looking forward to all that. So stay tuned for the future build of the Top Flite Cessna 182 here on Bayona's RC World. So I will see you again on the next video. Shoo shoo!